Guys, I might just seriously have one of the best opportunities ever for you, and it's over on Bybit, which is a crypto exchange that now offers you a crazy money-making feature. So this is on one side for people that are extremely good at trading. This will allow you to make tens of thousands of dollars potentially every single day. And on the opposite side, this is for people that don't really know how to trade themselves, but would like to dabble into following some of the better traders, as it takes away all the work from doing research into trading because you can just copy some of these master traders. So simply put, make sure you check out Bybit. A link is down below, as that's the crypto exchange that I'm talking about here. But the feature that I'm talking about is copy trading. Now, before we move on, I should tell you guys two things. One is you can get thousands of dollars for free by signing up and getting yourself some deposit bonuses. I'll leave a link for that down below, but once you've made an account, check out the rewards hub and it might showcase thousands of dollars in rewards depending on your deposit. And very often there's other little bonuses that you can get, especially signing up with my link down below. You can get the best bonuses available. Anyway, there's also a special thing that I'm doing for you guys. I'm going to explain in this video exactly how copy trading works. So how you as a non-trader can copy some professional or just other master traders to follow along with whatever they do. If they buy, you buy. If they sell, you sell. But I've actually collaborated here with Bybit to give away a lot of freaking money. We're actually giving away $20,000. And how, you might ask? Well, the first 100 new users who try out this copy trading feature will cover your loss for $200 on your first trade. Meaning you can try it out if you're a new user and it doesn't work, you lose 200 bucks, no worries. We got you covered. Again, $20,000 worth of budget has been set aside for the first 100 people. So again, an automatic $200 loss prevention for the first 100 only, new users who try the copy trading feature and incur losses on their first trade. All right, so now let's get over to it. If you check out Bybit, just take a look by signing up with the link down below and go into this tools section. You'll find another section that's called copy trading. And again, this has two parts. There's this join as a trader button, which is very useful if you're good at trading. Again, guys, I've heard of people making so ridiculously much money, but I'll explain how in just a second. And there's the bottom section right here, which is to follow traders that are already out there making money, which you can, again, just copy the trades from. And it's very simple. If you're not one of these traders, which I'll explain in just a second, all you have to do is go through the list of different traders out there. For example, this trader right here, of which the name I cannot read. You've noticed, okay, he's making some good amount of profit over the little while here potentially. Just research this for yourself. He's only been doing it for 4 days. He has 95 followers and only $2,000 assets under management. He's sharing about 10% profit, okay? All you have to do is press copy right here. Press copy, one little click. I put $800 aside, so you put $800 worth of my money I'm putting towards him to trade with. I, in this case, am not putting a copy stop loss, but this is for yourself to check out. There's also two modes. There's the smart copy and the advanced copy, and this just has to do with how you enter and exit positions. If you want to do everything yourself, you can also change things in this more settings piece. And then there's a copy guard, which has to do with the fact that you open your positions when he opens them at the best time and not exactly the moment that he opens them himself. You can see that his assets under management, or basically what the followers have put towards him, is about $25,000. He's basically a fund manager, kind of. But I should quickly say, make sure you kind of mess around with this copy stop loss here. Just read through it for yourself for a little second. For this test demonstration, it does not matter, but you want to make sure you've read through the terms and make sure you always look for the stop loss to prevent yourself from losing too much money. Anyway, once I've figured out how much money I want to copy him with, I press this little button, copy now, and it's as simple as that. I'm now going to be copying his trades, and I can look into the little past of his. You can see he's made 118 trades in total, 88 of which were losses, and I'm assuming that the rest is just not over yet, might just be open positions, because we can see a full list of different trades that he has open right now, most of which are actually, all of them are on Bitcoin. And even though right now it's not looking too good, as he has a 40x long open on Bitcoin, he might know what he's doing, but that's for yourself to check out. You can also check out the copy trading leaderboard in terms of followers or in terms of the actual traders. And this was showcased, for example, this guy has $1.7 million back in him. This guy right here has $1.6 million back in him. This guy has $1 million back in him. And these are, again, the people that put their money behind these guys. And then there's also the CEO Musk, which apparently is one of the best guys out there. He's been making a ton of profit for their followers, and Profit Lab as well, making himself $60,000, which is by far the best I've seen, and making his followers over $170,000. However, that's where the very important risk warning comes in. And this is why I always tell you guys to be cautious a little bit with just following the money. This to you, this profit guy, might have sounded amazing because of the numbers you're seeing right here. Make sure you check these people out and don't go overzealous, because even though it might be amazing, sometimes they can adjust the numbers to not really have some sort of stop loss and basically lose money because they've made a massive mistake. Right now, in this case here, a lot of people have made crazy amounts of profit, and even the master himself has made a juicy sum of money. We can see right here that his trades are mostly just massive Bitcoin longs, and recently here he had a ton of Ethereum longs that actually failed, meaning he lost out on a lot of money for the traders. You can read a little bit into his challenge right here, but just make sure you do a little bit of due diligence and don't just put all your money inside one of these traders, if you understand my drift. Just take a look at what they write, take a look at their past performance, and take a look at the drawdown, aka how much they've been down in this period, because you might want to keep that number a little bit minimal, like we see right here with this 5% or this 1%. If it's above 50% like the 70 we just saw, it might not be that smart. Anyway, that's where we get to this become a master trader with Bybit section, which is if you're good at trading. All right, just take a little look at this video right here, but you can make such crazy amounts of money. Even if you're mediocre at trading, this is something worth checking out. As it says right here, this can supercharge your income. Aside from your regular trades, you can now earn additional income from other traders who copy your strategies. So that means every single person that follows you, you can make a little bit of money on. Also, as we've seen earlier, Bybit also likes to promote some of these traders. Little quick side note, if you want to become a trader, you have to cancel the ones that you're currently following. And it's actually pretty simple to do that. You can do it in a couple of different ways, but you can also just press this cancel copy with the difference of exiting right now or the moment that he exits his trades. But if we just press this button, then our money will be returned back to us. And as you press apply, it will just have a little overview of what exactly you need to be doing, aka what you're responsible for, etc. But again, you understand, you can get a percentage, because just take a look. How do I earn as a master trader? As a master trader, you'll earn 10% of the overall net profit of your followers, and your earnings will be credited to your master trader account every Monday morning at 1 a.m. UTC. The net profit is calculated by taking into account the cumulative profit and losses of your followers over a 7-day period. And all you have to do to become one is you must complete at least 7 trades in the last 30 days. You must produce a win rate of more than 60% or an ROI that's greater than 30%. And for experienced traders from other copy trading platforms, please upload a proof of your trading performance as a copy trader. And that's basically where the real money lies. There's where you can make sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars a day if you're really good at it. But if you yourself are a good trader, maybe just reach out to me as well, because as I've said, I'm already working with Bybit here to cover $20,000 worth of losses, but we might be able to do a lot more for you if you're a good trader and you really know it. But yeah, step 1 is just apply to it. And if you're uncertain of which of these parts to do, again, and you are a trader, just reach out to me via Telegram or whatever. Just reach out via email maybe, and we'll get you sorted. Because as I said, it's a crazy money-making opportunity from both sides, either by copying these master traders or by being one yourself, as you can get some profit from that. So again, just check out Bybit with the link down below. Make sure, however, guys, that you make an account with the link down below. Otherwise, you are not going to be getting this loss guaranteed, or covered, I should say. And also, you might not be able to claim some of these different deposit bonuses or other bonuses that are claimable in the Rewards Hub. And you guys might not know as of this point watching, but I often do smaller little giveaways only for people that are registered under me on Bybit. And if you don't, make sure you use that affiliate link. You might miss out on those giveaways. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press that like button and comment down below if you think this is exciting. That's it for right now. See you guys later.